How to like a game in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can like a game in your Roblox account. So in order to start, first launch your Roblox application, and once your application launches you will see an interface like this. Now there are two very important things that you need to make sure before attempting to like a particular game. The two requirements are that first you have verified your email address, and the second one is that you have played that particular game or experienced that before actually attempting to like it. So once these two prerequisites have been done, you can simply open up the game, and once it opens up like this, you will have this particular toggle from where you can like or dislike it. So in order to like this game, you can click onto this right upwards arrow, and you can see this will give you a message that says help the creator improve this experience. So if you want, you can give your feedback as well, but for now you have successfully liked this particular Roblox game. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.